Sino napili natin best player for this game?
She's done a phenomenal job pagdating sa opensa, pati na ang ginawa niya pader ang net eh.
Actually.
With Cristel is Bea De Leon.
Yes, Bea, congratulations for winning. During the first set, medyo dikit yung laban. Saan parte ba kayo nahirapan?
Kasi they're very smart when they play. They know how to place the ball, so it's very hard for us to adjust strength. Their spikes, especially sina EJ, grabe yung process. So hirap na hirap talaga kayo mag-adjust. But, syempre in every game talaga, adjustments lang talaga in the beginning run.
But why did you think Coach Tai stick to the same rotation throughout the whole game?
That's kind of his way, so that none of us would lose confidence. Because syempre if you take one out, it's kind of a, nakakasira ng momentum rin for all of us. But I think he just believes in all of us yun naman.
Congratulations, you are our Shakey's player of the game. You'll receive a box of pizza from Shakey. Sinong gusto mong batiin?
Happy birthday, Dad! Love you!
Alright, thank you so much and back to you guys.
Okay, birthday pa rin ng daddy niya. Nandito yung daddy niya sa likod eh. In the meantime, Ateneo, out of respect, like to allow UST to sing their school song. Huminto sila. But Ateneo already with one foot in and they need to win one more game to be able to be in the finals.
Yep, and they've been consistent throughout itong ating conference. Ang kita rin naman natin, still undefeated,
Yes.
At this point.
Okay, thank you, Anne, Remulia Kanda, and Cristel Bachelor. On behalf of the Shakey's Wheeling team, Seb Samantha ESA. Come back very often here in the place where it all started, the Shakey's Wheeling.